Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Xiaomi 13 Lite. To do this, you'll need to open a Google Play Store, inside find Microsoft Edge, then install it. When it's ready, you'll be able to open the app. Here we can customize it. You can see the introduction if you want. I'm gonna skip it. Customize to make your homepage your own. You can see the wallpaper from your screen on the homepage, show most visited sites, and show newsfeed. Now let's sign in to turn on synchronization or skip it by clicking on Not Now. Lastly, set Microsoft Edge as the default browser. Or actually, it wasn't last thing, as here we have a data sharing and privacy settings which we can accept or not. But from there, the browser is set, so let's open any website, and as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.